Hi, welcome to GladyTech Fix Earn YouTube channel. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to get unlimited token on Chow app. The first step you have to take is to wait for daily reset. Chow usually reset token after some hours or the next day, or you can actually close the app this way and reopen your app again. So this way it can increase your token on the app. The next step you can take is to watch ad if available. Sometimes Chow will give extra token when you watch ads. Look for a watch ad or get more message option. The next step you can take is to restart the app. To restart the app, close the app completely. Then you go to your phone settings. So right here on your phone settings, you're going to search for app list all. So right here on your app list, you search for Chow. Click on it. So you click on the first stop option here and confirm you want to stop. Okay. So having done that, you can go back to your app and open it again. The next step you can take is to clear your app cache. To clear your app cache, you have to go to your phone settings. So right here on my phone settings, search for the app called Chow from my app list and click on the storage and cache and clear my cache. The next step you can take is to go to your Play Store. So right here on my Play Store, you just have to search for Chow and check if it's updated. If it's not, it's going to show you updates. Just click on the update option and update it. The next step you can take is to upgrade to premium. So you have to go to your app. So right here you can just try to upgrade your Chow app to premium. Chow offers premium subscribers unlimited or more token. So guys, that is it on how to get unlimited token on Chow app. If this video was helpful, do also follow GladyTech Fix Earn for more phone tricks on how to make money. Thanks for watching.